Good morning, gentlemen. It's pretty cold, but I thought I should talk to you about what's happened with Bangladesh. बांग्लादेश को जैसे फुटबॉल में बॉल को किक किया जाता है हैज़ बीन किक्ड आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कप जो हिंदुस्तान में हो रहा है या होने वाला है. दैट इज़ द 2026 वर्ल्ड कप. Bangladesh has been booted out. I'm sorry I have to use this word, but that is the word which has to be used for Bangladesh. बांग्लादेश भूल गए सब कुछ and they are now cozying up to पाकिस्तान and the ISI. और जिस कंट्री ने, जिस देश ने उसको उनको आज़ादी दिलाई, you know, the country which gave them freedom way back in 1971 has become their biggest enemy. And none of the Bengalis can explain why they should think India is an enemy, when I think India not only brought them freedom, but gave them everything, even the power which is being supplied in entire North Bangladesh is being supplied by the Indian industrialist Adani's group, and they aren't paying him the money. That's another thing. So there are so many things, wheels between wheels, which are working, but I think what you call the catalyst was recently the inherent hatred which has developed in Bangladesh. I won't say the entire people are following it, because there's a sizable minority of persons in Bangladesh who are pro-India. But there are certain extremist parties, I think there's no point in naming them here, they are available on the internet, which have a nostalgia, a feeling that हमें पाकिस्तान से क्यों तोड़ा है. They want to go back to Pakistan and they want to be called East Pakistan again. That is their aim. But they're going to fail, of course, because a lot of people don't want it. And these extremist parties are now in power thanks to the American leadership, that is Joe Biden. I think he was a little bit of a man who was out of his depth, and he was the man who engineered, with the help of the Pakistan ISI, the removal of Sheikh Hasina, who was the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, and had led the country forward. एक बात याद रखिए, Bangladesh made a lot of progress when Sheikh Hasina was Prime Minister. और अब उनकी हालत बहुत ख़राब है economically. They need money. They are going around the world with a begging bowl. पर उनको इस बात की शर्म नहीं है. उनको इस बात की शर्म नहीं है आल्सो कि उनकी लड़कियों को पाकिस्तान आर्मी ने यूज़ किया जब वो पाकिस्तान आर्मी के एक स्लेव नेशन बन के रहते थे. खैर, ऑल दैट इज़ ओवर. अब उन्होंने कहा जी हम इंडिया नहीं आएंगे. आप क्यों नहीं आओगे भाई? हम नहीं आएंगे बिकॉज वी फील इनसिक्योर देयर. वेल, आई थिंक ये भूल गए हैं तकरीबन 2 to 3 मिलियन बंगालीज जो है फ्रॉम ईस्ट पाकिस्तान इंडिया में इलीगली काम कर रहे हैं. वो क्या काम करते हैं यहाँ इंडिया में? वो नौकर हैं या गार्ड हैं या वो प्रोस्टिट्यूशन में हिस्सा लेते हैं. नाउ दैट कैन नॉट बी डिनाइड. बंगाली गर्ल्स फ्रॉम ईस्ट पाकिस्तान आर अवेलेबल in India, and you know for what purpose they are available. Everything needs money and Bangladesh needs money. पर फिर भी इनकी आकड़ नहीं गई, and they thought that they should teach India a lesson. और किस चीज़ के लिए लेसन सिखाना चाहते हैं? It is laughable. They wanted to take revenge against India और for their own failures. एंड उनका एक ऑन फेलियर, उनको कोई इशू चाहिए था, एंड द इशू दे गॉट वाज वन बांग्लादेशी प्लेयर. सो ये कैटलिस्ट जो हुआ, दिस हैपेंड व्हेन वन ऑफ द बांग्लादेशी प्लेयर्स, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, वाज सिलेक्टेड फॉर द IPL एंड ही वाज आस्क्ड टू गो होम. Well, what was the reason? It's a political decision. It's only one player. But they made an issue out of it, and then they said they are going to come to India because they feel insecure, which is a bit of a bluff, a little of a lie, because life is so insecure in Bangladesh. And I have reports that only yesterday one Hindu has been burnt alive. So that is called insecurity. Nothing has happened like that here in as far as we are concerned in India. So they had projected to the ICC that this is our problem. We feel insecure in India. There's no security. So expert advice was taken, and it was found that this allegation was a blatant lie. And they were told, "You come and play. There's no problem." But they said, "No, we will not come." At that time, you see, I think बांग्लादेश ने सोचा कि हम तो बड़े बहुत बड़ी क्रिकेटिंग कंट्री है, हम लोग हमारे पीछे भागेंगे, नहीं आइए आइए. बट दे फॉरगॉट कि बांग्लादेश एक गरीब कंट्री है, वन ऑफ द पुअरेस्ट कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड, जहाँ खाने के लिए नहीं है, उनके फॉरेक्स एक्सचेंज नहीं है, और वो जीते हैं सिर्फ रेटरिक वे और एंटी माइनॉरिटी फीलिंग्स को वेप अप करके. दैट इज़ द ओनली वे दे आर सर्वाइविंग. उनकी टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री भी ठप हो गई है, ज़ीरो हो गए हैं, और उनको पैसे की सख्त ज़रूरत है. पर उन्होंने सोचा कि हम जब बोलेंगे कि हम नहीं जाएंगे इंडिया में वर्ल्ड कप के लिए, द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट एंड द इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट कॉन्फ्रेंस वो हाथ जोड़ के कहेंगे नहीं जी आप प्लीज़ आइए, हम खेलिए. बट नेट रिज़ल्ट उसका ये हुआ कि उनको फुटबॉल की तरह स्टेडियम से बाहर फेंक दिया है. वन किक एंड दे आर आउट. अब जो बांग्लादेश की क्रिकेट टीम है वो बहुत वरीड है. आई सिंपथाइज विद देम. और उनके कैप्टन जो हैं लिटन दास, उसने सारे प्लेयर्स की सहमति के साथ ये अप्रोच द क्रिकेट बोर्ड एंड टोल्ड देम, भाई बांग्लादेश में क्रिकेट ख़त्म हो जाएगा इफ़ यू फॉलो दीज सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्टिव tactics. That is what they are doing, self-destructive tactics. And unfortunately, Bangladesh को कोई समझ में नहीं आ रही, and they are still persisting, and they still persisted. They were given 3 chances by the ICC, but they refused, all of them, and said we won't come. They thought their request that the venues of the cricket matches be changed from India to Sri Lanka. The International Council, you see, could not accept to such a stupid request that venues change kar dijiye at the last stage. It's not done in any world competition, and net result is उनकी जो request थी was completely rejected, and उनको बोला भी आप आके खेलिए and don't mix politics and cricket. But उनको ये बात समझ में नहीं आई है, they couldn't understand it, and net result आप जानते हो क्या हुआ है. अब वो घर बैठेंगे, and the poor Bangladesh cricketers who want to play cricket, they have become a political pawn. Gentlemen, आपको hope you are liking my video. अगर आपको पसंद हो, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and I'll be very very happy to interact with you all. You see, Bangladesh अपनी doom, जिसको कहते हैं ना, spelling your own doom, that is what they are doing. और इनको समझना चाहिए कि आप वर्ल्ड के साथ टक्कर नहीं ले सकते. यू कैन नॉट फाइट द वर्ल्ड, यू नो. नाउ द ICC इज द मेन बॉडी विच कंट्रोल्स क्रिकेट, एंड इंडिया इज अ वेरी बिग component of that. You can't sort of fight such a big monolith and say, "Arey nahi, we will hold our way." And they were egged on by Pakistan. That is the fact. They were egged on by Pakistan, and Pakistan was probably gave them some insurance कि देखिए you don't go to India for the World Cup, हम भी नहीं जाएंगे. I'm sure something like that happened, but now the Pakistanis have backed out, and if they also persist in such activities, they will also be thrown out and they will suffer billions of dollars loss. अब बांग्लादेश को समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या करें, but yet they have miscalculated very badly, and their leadership को कुछ पता नहीं क्या हो रहा क्या नहीं हो रहा. Unfortunately, it is very sad that cricket in Bangladesh is going to suffer so badly. Both men and women cricketers are going to have very very tough time. Well, gentlemen, I don't know what to say to Bangladesh. Bangladesh जो है is a distant land. At one time it was a part of composite India under the British Raj, पर वो सब भूल गए ये बातें. And they are also forgetting that they have got a lot of sympathy earlier from India. India helped them a lot, and they're really not bothered about all that. All they're bothered is about a rhetoric about the religion. Now that doesn't give you anything. Religion, you can pray, you can do anything, but it doesn't give you food. So where you can get that? You need money, exports. Their cottage industry, that is the clothing industry, has collapsed. It's been taken over by other nations. They have power shortages, outages all over Bangladesh. They have a very minimal trade. And Bangladesh is a landlocked country. It's got only one port and a cess, and which can be blocked easily by India. And the Bengalis are having a tough time. I think nobody wants them anywhere here. I hope sanity prevails, gentlemen, and Bangladesh comes back. Jai Hind. I hope you like my video. Goodbye.